Okay, this work does have an interesting balance to it. It is almost symmetrical. You could be tempted to say it has some informal symmetry, and with informal symmetry we're looking for a balance between halves, almost like one half is a mirror image of the other half. If you were to divide this straight down the middle vertically, one half is almost a mirror image of the other half with some anomalies, certainly with the windshield wipers and a few other details aren't completely the same, but it's its symmetry that's providing balance. You do have some very large dark shapes that is providing some balance with the smaller white negative spaces and the smaller shapes that you have. There is a great deal of variation in value. You have these little light, medium gray shapes or areas with darker areas with darker gray. Certainly white is occupying the negative space or background, while different shades of gray and tones of gray are occupying the positive space. Now in terms of the focal point, now where does your eye lead you to as you're looking around the image? I think it's pretty much in this area due to contrast. This is quite a contrast here in shape and also in value and in scale. Now, what creates a focal point is scale, how big or small something is, especially if it's exaggerated, a contrast in color or value, and where your eyes are led, and what is the most interesting part of the image. There is quite a bit of sameness or repetition to the work. There are some very similar shapes. You have lots of curved lines, occasionally some straight lines. So there's repetition in the colors and the shapes, but there is variety also. You have all these little parts down here, and you have some larger areas here. Certainly this is a larger area. This forms a large shape. So it is this balance between the variety that's offered in the work, which helps with creating interest, and the sameness or repetition, which provides harmony. So it's this balance between variety and harmony that helps create unity.